You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this molecule. If you want to learn more names from chemistry, science, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. Yes, this is known as TNT. You can just say TNT, no problem. But if you want to say what it means, it's trinitro, so not trinitro, trinitro, three-nitrate, essentially, that's what it means. Trinitrotoluene, that's how you say it, toluene, all right? So it's essentially like the spelling, tolu, T-O-L-U, toluene, E-N-E, trinitrotoluene. It's easy once you know trinitrotoluene, English pronunciation correct. English pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.